scientists believe that for many of us, they've found a surprising way to do just that. Meet Elliot. Last year, his school teacher said of him,
Elliot's memory seems to be letting him down and could be improved.
Elliot's reading and writing aren't what they should be.
Elliot is a nice boy, but he finds it hard to concentrate.
He used to just come home and sit in front of the TV. Trying to get homework out of him was a chore.
And in particular had great difficulty committing himself to paper.
I wasn't really quite struck by lessons. I thought most of them were quite boring. When I came home, I just took my shoes off, dumped my bag, took my coat off, sunk into the settee and turned on the telly.
But this year, something remarkable happened to Elliot. Elliot was selected for a scientifically controlled trial run by Oxford University at schools in County Durham. The children chosen were behind in class in some subjects. In the trial, the children took 6 tablets every day. The scientists wanted to see if the tablets could improve the way the children learnt, how well they concentrated and remembered in class. And after only a few weeks, parents and teachers began to notice an extraordinary difference.
It's absolutely amazing. After Elliot started taking the tablets, the first 2 or 3 months, he was more interested in work. He'd go to the library. Not so much interested in the TV.
It's been marvellous to see the actual changes that have happened in Elliot. His reading has really rocketed. I think it's 2 years improvement in reading age, and so his desire to read has really improved, and he's devouring books really.
Now I'm not so interested in the TV, I just like reading books, and the best place in all the world is the library. I absolutely love it.
And it wasn't just Elliot. Many of the children in the trial taking the same tablets showed a big improvement in reading, memory, and concentration. The results confirm the findings of previous studies. So what is the ingredient in the tablets? It's not a drug. It isn't a medicine. It's a natural substance found in some oily fish called omega-3. And it seems to have a simple but extraordinary effect on brains. Omega-3 can help learning by making it easier for the signals to jump the gap between brain cells. And scientists believe omega-3 can help not only children falling behind in class, but also improve the memory and concentration of many of us.